Welcome to online lecture of Michael Aron English School pre-primary section. So today I am going to teach you GK and conversation. Okay. Domestic animals. Domestic animals. So first one is cow. Second one is goat. Third is cat. Fourth is horse. Then dog. Sheep. Buffalo and rabbit. So domestic animal means animals which can live with us. Okay. So first is cow, COW, cow. Then goat, GOAT, goat. Then cat, CAT, cat. Horse, HORSE, horse. Dog, DOG, dog. Sheep, SHEEP, sheep. Buffalo, BUFFALO. And the last one is rabbit, RABBIT, rabbit. Now see, which animal give us milk? Which animal gives us milk? Cow, goat and buffalo gives us milk. Cow, goat and buffalo gives us milk, right? Then second question is what? Which animal gives us wool? The sheep gives us wool, right? Sheep gives us wool. Which animal guards our house? Which animal guards our house? Dog guards our house, right? And now, which animal catches mice? Which animal catches mice? Cat catches the mice, right? Now wild animals. Now what is mean by wild animals? Animals lives in jungle is known as what? Wild animals. Okay. Now see. First is what? Tiger. 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 Then lion. 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 Elephant. 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 Then kangaroo. 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 Then giraffe. 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 Deer. 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 Bear. 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 Cheetah. CHEETH. Cheetah. Then monkey. 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 And the last one is what? Last one is zebra. 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 Now which is our national animal? Which is our national animal? Tiger is our national animal. Which animal is the king of the jungle? The lion is the king of the jungle. Which animal jumps from tree to tree? The monkey jumps from tree to tree. Which is the largest land animal? The elephant is the largest land animal. Right, na? Elephant is so big, so it is largest land animal. Then which is the fastest land animal? The cheetah is the fastest land animal. Why cheetah is the fastest land animal? Because he runs so fast. Then which animal has a long neck? The giraffe has a long neck. See the picture. Giraffe has a long neck, right? So the giraffe has a long neck. Okay. Now next is what? Young ones. Okay. Young ones. So see the picture over here. What is the young one of the cow called? What is the young one of the cow called? Means young one means what? Cow के baby को हम young one बोलेंगे, right? So what is the young one of the cow called? The young one of the cow is called a calf. Okay? The young one of the cow is called a calf. Then next one. What is the young one of the horse called? Now what is the young one of the horse called? The young one of the horse is called a the young one of the horse is called a foal. Okay. Now next one. What is the young one of the cat called? Now what is the young one of the cat called? The young one of the cat is called a kitten, right? This is the young one of the cow is called a foal, a calf. Then the young one of the horse is called a foal. The young one of the cat is called a kitten. Now next. What is the young one of the ship called? The young one of the ship is called a lamb. Okay? Lamb. 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 Then next one. What is the young one of the duck called? The young one of the duck is called a duckling. 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 Then next one. What is the young one of the hen called? The young one of the hen is called a chicken. Then what is the young one of the lion called? The young one of the lion is called a cub. C-U-B. Cub. And now the last one. What is the young one of the dog called? The young one of the dog is called a puppy. 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 Okay. Now the young one of the cow is called as calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. Then the young one of the horse is called as foal. F-O-A-L. Foal. Then the young one of the cat is called as kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. The young one of the ship is called as lamb. L-A-M-B. Lamb. The young one of the duck is called as duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. Duckling. The young one of the hen is called as chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. The young one of the lion is called as cub. C-U-B. Cub. And the last one is the young one of the dog is called as puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. Okay. Now some more animals. Okay. Now see the first one. This is what this is. Snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Now see the next picture. This is what this is. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Then this picture. See this picture. This is what? This is frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Then this one. This one is tortoise. Tortoise. Okay? Tortoise. Then this is what this is. Crocodile. 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 Then this one is what? This one is lizard, right? Lizard. Lizard. Then this one is porcupine. 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 Okay. Then this one is what? This one is snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. Now the last one. Last one is what? Last one is, which animal is this? This is squirrel. 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 Which animal live in water as well as on land? Now which animal lives in water as well as on land means वो कौन से एनिमल है जो वाटर के साथ साथ लैंड पे भी रहते हैं? Frogs, frogs and crocodiles lives in water as well as on land. They both lives in water as well as on land. Okay. Now which animal lives in holes? Which animal lives in holes? Snake and mice. This both animals lives in holes, right? Snake, first is snake and then mice. Mice and snakes lives in holes. Which creature do we find on the walls of our house? Which creature we find on wall of our house? Lizard, right? So we find lizard on the wall of our house. Okay. Which animal has sharp quills on its body? Which animals have sharp quills? See over here. The animal, this animal, what is name? What is name of this animal? Porcupine, right? So he have a sharp quills, right? So the porcupine has sharp quills on its body. Okay. Now birds. Okay. So see the first bird. This is what? This is peacock. 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 Then this is what? This is crow. 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 Then this one is what? Which bird is this? This is crane. 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 Then this is what? This is swan. 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 Then see this little bird. This is what? This is sparrow. 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 Now this one. This is what? This is owl. 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 Then this is what? This is parrot. Okay. Green color parrot. So Parrot. Parrot. Now this one is cock. 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 Now see the next one. Next bird is what? This is ostrich. 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 Now see this one. This is what? This is eagle. 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 Now this one. This one is duck. Duck. And now the last one. Last one is pigeon. 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 Which is our national bird? Now which is our national bird? The peacock is our national bird, right? Peacock is our national bird of India. Okay. The peacock is our national bird. Okay. Now this is what this is. Crow. 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 Crane. Swan. Sparrow. Owl. Parrot. Cock. Ostrich. Eagle. Duck and pigeon. Right. So which is a night bird? Which is a night bird? The owl is a night bird. Okay. This is the owl. The owl is a night bird. Okay. Which is the largest bird? Now which is the largest bird? The ostrich is the largest bird. See, ostrich is very large. Okay. So the ostrich is the largest bird. Okay.